Presenting the 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.